Hey there! Because the shipping journey can be long and bumpy, sometimes the outer tire may come slightly off the rim during transit. Please don't inflate or ride the bike before checking the tire position. Once your e-bike is fully assembled, carefully lay it on its side to inspect and adjust the rear tire. If you don't lay the bike down, adjusting the tire can be really tricky. As you can see here, the rear tire isn't fully seated inside the rim. This could be dangerous while riding. So before inflating, gently push the tire back into place. Then, inflate slowly while continuing to adjust. Tap and press the tire to help it snap into the rim. We recommend inflating it up to around 30 psi. After inflating and adjusting, double-check both sides of the rear tire, left and right. Once everything looks good, you're ready to ride. And if you run into any issues during assembly, feel free to email us. We're always happy to help.